And I don't know whether to laugh or cry. I don't know whether to live or die. And it cuts like a knife. She's out of my life. It's out of my hand. It's out of my hand. To think for 2 years she was here, and I took her for granted. I was so careful. Now the way that it stands, she's out of my hand. So I've learned that love's not possession, and I've learned that love won't wait. Now I've learned that love needs expression, but I learned too late. She's out of my life. She's out of my life. Damned indecision and cursed pride kept my love for her locked deep inside, and it cuts like a knife. She's out of my She's out of my life.
Thank you, JR. Samantala, eto naman.
Nagkasaan ka lang, Claire, kasi maganda yung boses mo. I love it!
Love it! Okay. Samantala, eto naman ang bagong pakulo ng sis para